In this video, we're going to look at MoreLINQ's fill backward and fill forward methods. And this is perhaps a slightly specialized case, but imagine I've got a sequence that has got some actual values in it, but it's also got some nulls in it. And what I want to do is replace all of the nulls with a value. What fill forward will do is it will replace all nulls with the previous element that wasn't null before them in the sequence. So we'll get Mark, 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 Dave, Dave, Claire, Steph. So if we run this just to prove that that works, you'll see that's what we get. If we say fill backwards, it will replace nulls with the first non-null item ahead of them. So in this case, it'll be Mark, Dave, 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 Claire, Claire, Steph. So let's run that. And we can see here's the backwards fill as we expected. Now, you might be wondering what would happen if there was kind of nulls at the front and end of this sequence. If you do a fill forward and there was nothing before the null, then you will get a null in the output. But assuming that there was something before it or after it in the case of fill backwards, then nulls will be replaced. You might also be wondering, what if it's not null that I want to replace? What if it's some other value? So here I've got the same sequence but with empty strings instead of nulls, or I could quite easily, let's say they're x's. And what I can do is in fill forward, I can provide a predicate that specifies what is considered an empty string. So I'll say the string x is considered to be empty, and we'll do fill forward here. Let's just run these two lines only, and you can see we get the same result. Mark, 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 Dave, Dave, Claire, Steph. And so a handy method if you've got sequences in this kind of format where there are missing values that you want to replace.